Hello and welcome to Rita Simplifies Tech. My name is Rita, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can convert a PDF document into a Word document. Without wasting so much of your time, let's just jump right into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you can use either Google Docs or Microsoft Word to do this, but for this example, I'm going to be using the Google Docs. I'll click on that. I'll click on the blank to start a new document. I can drag the PDF file to this page or I access it through the file, go to open and upload the document right here. So I can also drag it or select a file from my document. So I'll quickly just drag this document onto there. So we've gotten a preview of this document, but it's still a PDF. And so what we are going to do is to choose to open it with Google Docs so we'll be able to work on it. As you can see, that PDF file has already been converted into a Word document, and we can go ahead and make changes to this document. And you also have to keep in mind that the format from the PDF might change, and so text and images may misalign. You have to keep that in mind and try to align it. So once you are done editing your document and you want to save it back into a PDF, just come right here to File, then go to Download, and from the downloads you can download it as a PDF document. So once we click on that, well, you can also rename it here if you choose to, and basically play with the document and edit whatever you want to edit in your PDF file. So this is a quick tutorial of how to convert PDF to Word document. Make sure to subscribe on your way out for more video tutorials, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and also let me know in the comment section as well what kind of video tutorials you'd like to see from me. Until I come your way next time, bye.